This is my WooCommerce shop, and as you see, I'm not logged in, I'm logged out. But it doesn't matter because since it's my own shop, I can edit all the information here. For example, product title, product price and sale price, set the sale dates, change the inventory information, stock quantities, and change a short description. Now when I save it, you'll see all the information has been changed. I can do it also from the single product page in a similar way. Just click here and done. In a similar way, you can change all product types. For example, this one here is a group product. Change the main product info and the info for the additional products. You can change external products and you can even change variable product information. Just choose a variation, scroll down, change the image, prices and all other stuff here. Save, close and done. And that's not all. You can select your store and export all your products, whether all products or only variable products. Let's export products as an example. Let's open the file and there it is. You can use this file to import these products anywhere else. So if you're interested, then in this video I'm gonna show you how to accomplish all this. This time it's not a WooCommerce related extension or plugin. Instead, this time it's a Chrome extension that you connect to multiple stores. You can use it in any Chromium based browser, for example, Chrome, Edge, Brave, Dia, and so on. I'm gonna put the link to this extension in the video description. So let's install the extension. Let's add it. Next I'm gonna pin it here and I'm gonna drag it here. And next I'm gonna click here. And as you see, it's not a free extension, it's a paid extension. If you already purchased it, then click on the Restore Purchase button. Otherwise, click on the Purchase button. Click here. And the current price for this extension is €9.90. If you take a look at the description of this video, then you'll see there is a nice 15% discount coupon for you. Just click here, add your coupon, and you can purchase it. If you already purchased it, then click on this Restore button here. Next, use the email you used during the purchase process, add it here, submit, and then the system sends you an email which contains the link that you can use to restore a purchase. For example, this one here, when I click, it says success, I have logged in, and you'll see now I can add my first store. Now, to connect your store with this extension, you need to log into your store. Next, go to the WooCommerce and settings, open up advanced. Next, click here where it says REST API keys. When this is done, press on this add key button, give it a description, for example, Woo Quick Editor. Select the user, it should be a user with admin user roles. And next select read and write. Now click on this generate API key button and you'll see the consumer key and consumer secret key. Click copy here, open up the extension, click on add your first store button, add your store URL, give it the title, and now add your consumer key here. Next, copy the consumer secret key, paste it here, and test connection. It asks you to allow to read and change your data on this site. I'm going to click on the test connection button. It is testing it. It says connection successful and it found bunch of products over there. If you need to edit it, just open it up. If you need to test the connection for some reason, as you see it, after clicking on the test button, it says connection successful and it has almost 1600 products. You don't have to remember all this because how to generate API keys section is also down below here. Now what else do we have under the settings is that you can enable the session timeout. It will automatically clear API keys after period of inactivity, or you can clear API keys when browser closes. You can do it here. Next, you can export your products. Later I'm going to show you how to do that. Under the troubleshooting, here you can select your shop and run diagnostics. It says whether it's configured, whether the API connection works, whether the WooCommerce has been detected, and how many products does it have. Under the audit log, later you'll see what is it you have changed on the shop, and later I'm going to show you how does it look like. Now let's go to the shop itself. There it is, my live shop. I'm gonna open it up. And after connecting your site, you'll see this icon here. If I open up any other shop, for example this shop, since I haven't added it to my extension, I can't edit anything here. In order to edit something, you don't need to be logged in. You can also edit stuff while logged out. The only difference is that you can't upload images while you're logged out, and it's because the limitation of this REST API we're using here. Now, in order to change something, just change it. For example, external product, let's change this, let's change the price, 100 euros, let's add sale price, 90 euros. Let's select sale dates, for example, this one here. Since it's an external product, there is nothing much to configure, so let's save it. Boom, done. When I open it up, you'll see all the info is also here, and on the single product page I can do the same things. Let's go to the shop and let's see what else do we have here. This one is a simple product. I'm gonna open it up. Now there is more things. I can change inventory info, SKU, taxes, tax status, stock information, sold individually, and all the basic stuff. I did not add here categories because I did not want to cram it up with all sorts of information, because most of the times you add the product to the category while creating it and you don't change it as often as other information. If you want to change a short description, you can do it here. For example, let's make this one bold, save, open the product. You'll see here the change. Let's add something else. This one here, save, boom, done. Now I'm going to show you what happens when I'm logged in. For example, this is a grouped product, and now you'll see that I can upload my new image. I'm going to upload a random image, add the description, and save changes. Boom, done. Now when I open up it in a single product view, you'll see there are two additional pencil icons here. This is for the main product, and these are for the grouped products. You'll see it has two products added as a group. If I want to change this one, then this button does that, and the second one is for the second product. As you see, this one here is a variable product, so I can select the variation here, scroll down, add the stock quantity. It was out of stock. I'm gonna change the quantity, save, close, and done. Back to the shop, I'm gonna search for a variable product to show you how does it look like. Well, this one here. Let's open it up. You'll see it says variable product. Let's change the title, save it. Already displays the change here. Select the variation, for example, this one here. Variation image, let's change it. And let's add this image to this variation. Upload it. Let's change the variation price. For example, 1,000 euros, sale price 900 euros. Inventory information, let's add stock quantity 100. Do not allow back orders. Shipping information, let's change it to 10. Shipping class, dimensions 100, 200, and 300. Nothing else to it. Let's save it, close. And when I open up the single product view to see what happened here, you'll see that this is the one we changed. 100 in stock, prices, and when I open up it here, you'll see that all the information I changed has been saved. Great. Now when I open up the extension settings page, under the troubleshooting, you'll see there is a log. It displays all the changes I made during this video. You'll see image has been changed, product name, and so on. It tells you exactly what changed and when. Next, I'm gonna go to the stores and add another store, because this extension allows you to add up to 10 stores. You can do it in a similar way, so add store, add your URL, WooCommerce, settings, advanced, REST API, add key, description, select read and write, generate keys, copy consumer key, add it here, copy consumer secret key, add it here, give your store a title, test connection, save the store, and done. Now you'll see there are two stores connected, and when I go to the settings and I want to export products, I can select the store, whether this one or this one here. Also under the troubleshooting, I can select which store I would like to troubleshoot, and since I connected the second store, I can now use the quick editor as I showed you before. Okay, back to the settings page. Let's export some products. I'm gonna select the store, whether to export all products or only variable products. If you select all products, then pay attention that no variation rows will be added. It adds only variable product parent product information. And there is a limitation. In order to keep the extension snappy, it allows you to export up to 5,000 products. So let's export it. As you see, it says exporting pages. The shop has almost 1,600 products, so exporting those products will take approximately 20 or 30 seconds. Now it's finished. I'm gonna open it up, and there you go. All the products, all 1,600 products here with all the information. You'll see that it also contains your featured image URLs and gallery image URLs here. Now I'm gonna close this file and I'm gonna select only variable products. As you see, it's ready to export 322 variable products. Let's export it, and depending on your variation amount, it may take a bit time. Now it took approximately a minute and a half, but it exported all the 322 variations. But when I open up the file, you'll see there are more rows, and it's because every variable product had a bunch of variations, and these are grouped like this. As you see, this row contains the parent product, and those are the variations added to this parent product. You can use this file to import all your products to the other site, because this structure allows you to do it in an easy way. Well, there you go, a small browser extension which allows you to save a lot of time. Wait, if you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, this one here, and take a look at this side of the screen. It contains 2 good videos. I think you may find them useful. Meanwhile, take care. Bye.